this is Sandhya. I'm glad to connect with you all for our 7th English lesson. This is our first session of 7th English lesson, A Little Seed. A little seed. What comes in your mind after hearing this lesson title? I think we are going to learn something about the nature. But wait, if we are going to learn about the nature, why would it be about one seed, a little seed? Well, I have a question for you. How do we all grow? We all grow because of eating good and healthy food, having good sleep and rest, and with regular exercise, right? We all grow. Now, how do these little tiny seeds grow to a big plants? The plants need good sunlight, air, and pure water to grow. Well, now let us see what this lesson has to offer for us. As we read it, as this lesson unfolds, we will get to know about that. We will be reading a poem in this lesson and we will move ahead with some grammar concepts. Before going into the poem, now as always, we are going to start this session with a PEP activity. Now look at your screen. This is your PEP activity 7.1. This is also about the nature, just like the title of this lesson. There are two parts to this activity. Look at the picture given. In the first part, there are some few dotted lines are given. You need to trace them and draw little more leaves for this plant and make it more colorful. And for the second part of this activity, you need to list 3 nouns that you see in the picture. I'm sure you all are aware what is called noun. Now, after that, write one adjective to describe that noun, whatever you have listed. For example, one noun which I can see in this picture is a leaf. What will be the adjective we can give? I'm going to give green. So it becomes green leaf. That is adjective, right? Similarly, you need to find 3 nouns and write 3 adjectives to describe that. Isn't it very easy? Well, you may take 15 minutes to complete this activity. Open page number 13 of your studio and write today's date. Else, you can use your notebook, write today's date and also mention the activity number as PEP activity 7.1 before you begin. Now, it is time to pause the video. Press play once you are done. Welcome back. Now, we just colored and completed a beautiful plant. Plants are there around us, everywhere it is there. Now, let's quickly check our response for the PEP activity. Look at your screen. Some possible answers are, in the nouns, I have written petal, pot, leaves and stem. And this adjectives part, I wrote soft, hard, green, long or short. That is for the stem. Now, I hope this activity helped you all to recall the nouns as well as the adjectives whatever we have learned earlier. Now, let us read the poem, A Little Seed. Listen to the audio of the poem carefully and follow the text either in your studio or on your screen.
Here is a poem about plants, and it is written by Dick Wilms. I took a little seed one day about a month ago. I put it in a pot of dirt in hopes that it would grow. I poured a little water to make the soil right. I set the pot upon the sill where the sun would give it light. I checked the pot every day and turned it once or twice. With a little care and water, I helped it grow so nice.
Well, that was a very nice poem, right? This poem is written by the poet Dick Wilms. He says, when he saw a little seed one day, how he nourishes it to grow to a bigger plant. Well, he throws a question to us. What will happen if we do not water the plant every day? This is a question to ponder. You may discuss whatever comes in your mind, your answer, your views, your thoughts with your teachers whenever time permits. I feel the plants will not grow if we do not give enough water every day. What do you think? You may discuss your response with your teacher. Not only the air, sunlight and water, plants also needs the care. Otherwise, they will not grow to be healthy. Plants grow well when we take good care of them. Now, look at your screen. Alongside the poem, there is a small green box is given with some message. Let us read that first. It says we can take care of small plants at home. We also see large trees on the sides of the roads. When we go with our parents, you get to see that, right? Who do you think takes care of those trees which is there? You may find the answer either from your teachers or from your parents and share it with your friends or in your class time. Now, how you all get love and affection and the protection from your parents, family members and your relatives. We feel happy when we get pampered, right? Somebody is showing love and affection on us. How we feel happy? We feel very happy and feel very safe, right? Similarly, plants also needs that care from us. Now, who takes care of these plants or the big trees which is there alongside the road? Our government, and in most of the cases, the state or the district municipality, they take care of these plants and the trees. Well, if you wish to know more about this, you can discuss this with your parents or with your teacher. Well, we have learnt a cute poem. Though there is no new words given in this poem, you can choose few words from the text of the poem what you feel it's slightly difficult for you to remember and try practicing it. I am going to take one word from this poem, which is poured. It means a liquid or fluid flowing or falling from one container to another. I am going to try creating one sentence with this word pour or poured. I can say, I poured water on the plant. Similarly, you can also choose few words from this text and try to create your own sentences using those words. This will help you to remember these words. Not only to remember, but also it will help you to use these words appropriately in your conversations with your teachers or with your family members. Now it is your turn to choose few words and create sentences on your own and write them in your notebook. Well, that brings us to end of this session. I hope you all enjoyed reading this poem. I shall meet you all in our next session with some interesting activities related to the theme of the lesson. Till then, bye.